Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple trick that makes your Telegram experience on desktop even better. If you've ever wanted the name of the chat you're currently viewing to appear right at the top of your Telegram window, there's now an easy way to do it thanks to the latest update. This is a great feature if you often switch between different chats or workspaces and want to stay organized without clicking back and forth. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version so these options are available. Once the app is open, take a look at the very top left corner. You'll see 3 small horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and click on those lines to open up the main menu. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings, and you'll see a list of different categories. What we're looking for is inside the Advanced section, so go ahead and select that. Now you'll notice a section called Window Title Bar. This is where Telegram gives you some customization tools for how the app appears on your desktop. The first step is to check the option that says Use System Window Frame. By enabling this, Telegram will integrate better with your operating system's native window style, which allows the next setting to work properly. Once that's checked, right below it you'll see another option labeled Show Chat Name. Turn this on, and just like that, the chat name you're currently viewing will now display in your Telegram title bar at the top of the window. That's it. You'll now have a clear way to see which conversation you're in at a glance, even if you've minimized other windows or you're working on multiple projects at once. It's a small detail, but it can really make multitasking easier and improve overall productivity. So if you've been looking for a way to keep your desktop organized while chatting on Telegram, make sure you try this feature today. Thanks for watching.